the length of a seconds pendulum at a height h is equal to 2r from earth surface will be r radius of earth, g acceleration due to gravity on surface of earth, and they had given us g is equal to pi square meter per second square. In case of simple pendulum, we know the formula for time period as t is equal to 2 pi root of L by g, where L is length and g is acceleration due to gravity. Now, in this question, they said the pendulum as seconds pendulum. Seconds pendulum means time period is 2 seconds. So, this is 2 seconds. And they are asking us to find length. And this is acceleration due to gravity at certain height from the surface of earth. So, let me write this as GH. And we will substitute, we will get the answer. Okay. So now start substituting. T as 2 seconds, 2 pi root L by, for GH. So acceleration due to gravity at certain height from the surface of earth. We know a formula for it. GH is equal to GR square by R plus H whole square. So this is GR square by R plus H. H is 2R. 2R plus R, 3R. 3R square, 9R square. R square cancel. So it becomes G by 9. Substitute here G by 9. 9 will goes up. Okay. Now 2 gets cancelled. We need length. So squaring on both sides. So here you have 1 and this is pi square. Root will go away. L 9 and G already they said you can take it as pi square. So here you can write pi square. Pi square gets cancelled. You bring 9 this side. That means length is equal to 1 by 9. In which option you can find this? This is the right option. You pick this one.